Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Abdul Karim, and today we're going to be talking about acting in goodness. Remember, this is Ramadan, the special month, the holy month. And you know what? We got to get those rewards. We got to strive for those rewards in Ramadan. So act in goodness. You know, be the better person this month than you are in any other month of the year. Be the best you can be. I'm pleading with you, I'm asking you, and I'm challenging you to be better this month than you are any other month of the year. This is the holy month of Ramadan. This is one of the greatest times to ever be alive, because this month is so special, it's so dear, it's so important in Islam. So I'm asking you, act in goodness, do extra kindness, do extra goodness and good deeds in this month. You know, give people a smile, be just a little bit more happy. I know it's hard, I know you're fasting, and I know it's hard, but just be good, act in goodness. Now remember, Ya Rabbul Alameen, and remember, come with me to goodness, come to goodness.